Good everyone. Imagine a company with many employees, different departments, and a large amount of data. Now imagine having to manage every user, every computer, and every, every file manually. That's so difficult, right? That is the problem our project aims to solve. I built an enterprise network and file manage, file management system using Active Directory, secure file sharing, DNS, and group policy. The main idea is simple: centralized management, control access, and less manual work. And welcome to my video. Today I will do ACMN final exam, and my name is Hui. Okay, now let's move to slide 2. This is centralized management with Active Directory. First, let's look. Uh, First, let's look at Active Directory. At the center of our system is a Windows server running. Active Directory is stack of managing computer and users one by one. The administrator can manage them from a central location. I organize users into different departments such as management, administration, and accounting. Windows Windows 10 Pro Windows 10 Pro client computer can then join the domain and receive the correct permissions and policies. So Active Directory becomes the central control point of the whole network. Alright, let's move to slide 3. Okay, in slide 3, this is a secure file storage and distribution. Alright, I have question. Managing user is only half of the story. What about their data? Their data. I related to type of storage. First, I have private department folder for management, administration, and accounting. User can access their own department data, but they cannot access all the departments. Second, I have public folder. The software folder allows user to run applications without modifying or deleting them. The share later folder allows everyone to upload files, while user can only delete their uploads. We also don't allow file data and set a 10 GB upload limit per user. Now we move to slide 4. Now we have secure data, but we also need to make access simple. That's where DNS, SMB, and FTP come in. Instead of asking user to remember an IP address, they can access the server using a simple name such as file.local. Here, file.local. For Windows file sharing, they can use backslash backslash file dot local here. And for FTP is FTP backslash file dot local. We also provide an internal web portal that we also provide an internal web portal that gives users links to the file service. And let's move to slide 5. Finally, I wanted to reduce manual configuration, so I use group policy, or we can know as GPO. With GPO, the administrator can automatically map share network right on user computers. We can also apply a company-wide desktop wallpaper and other settings from one central location. This means that when a new computer joins the domain, the administrator doesn't need to configure everything manually. The policy does the policy does the work for us. And in the slide 6, so if we put everything together, our system has 4 key ideas. First, centralize. This is Active Directory manage user and computer. Second is control, permission and protect department data. Third, the accessible, DNS, SMB, and FTP make the data easy to reach. And finally, automatic GPO reduce repetitive work. This is the real goal of my project, not simply building a network, but building a network that is organized, controlled, accessible, and easier to manage. Okay, let's move to final slide. This is I will demonstration demonstration how I configure and how I show the problem. Now let's see if it actually works. In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate Active Directory permission by sharing the internet and real in action. Okay, let's start. I have prepared this. All right. First of all, I will do Active Directory setup. Okay, all right. Now you think of Active Directory as a company central digital registry. Instead of writing down employee username, passwords, and permissions on sticky notes scattered across every single computer, Active Directory puts them on into one secure digital binder on the domain controller. When you set up an organizational unit, you are creating label folder inside this binder. such as management or accounting, so you can organize user and apply rule to entire teams easily. Okay, now that is my explain. Now I will do first on I click in here. Click here. All right. I will choose this row, add a new forest, and I will set name for this. I think money dot logo. Okay, and Jonas, and a password. Password. Okay, and Jonas, and Jonas, and Jonas, and Jonas, and Jonas, and Joe install. And now I wait for it like. All right, thì while I wait for it to install, I will check. I will. Oh, oh, all right. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, okay. While we are waiting for this restart, I will do something in this window 10. Okay. I will explain you guys the step that they chọn the domain. And now, imagine your Windows server is an exclusive member-only club called company.local, and the uh, administrator is the club manager. Your Windows 10 computer is currently stand-alone visitor outside. And step 1, set up IP and DNS setting the DNS address to 192.168.10 and .10 is like given your Windows 10 computer the exact GPS coordinate of the club's context. Without it, the computer won't even know where company.local exists, and instead decisioning asking to join the domain is like walking up to the security guard and present, presenting a membership application signed by manager. Once approved, your computer becomes an official part of the club and just on its road. Alright? On the and CEO box CEO open. Now you can see this network connecting open. Show property. So alright. This A. 192.168.2 now and and dấu and 1. Alright. Or you can don't feel anything in this row. And okay, okay, well, and it's has finished loading now, so let's move on to the next step, and with the reconfiguring IPv4. We do like we config Windows 10, okay, and VBA dot cbo enter. something. So this is it. I hand and one. I will leave this row blank. No, sorry. Leave this row blank. Joe, okay. What? Wait. Hmm. Alright, sorry, I just drink water. Drink water. Hmm. Oh, sorry, guy. Okay, okay, and glow. Alright, and we move back to Windows 10. I will test something like I will hmm, I use pin command. It look like I check uh, to this to computer is this MC together or not? CMD run administrator and this sorry CMD right. Wow, yes. So I will click. I will click pin once. All right. This is successfully. Okay, now you same right. All right, now that I can show that to window can see together. All right, now let's move to next step. This is chọn window 10 in domain. Mirror, window R, window with R, and view that view that domain system doc cbl system doc cbl and enter. All right, and move to oh sorry domain and in this domain in this I put the binary dot logo. All right, and okay. All right. Me illustrator. Mm, eight, three, one, two, three, four. Okay. All right. Now this is okay and okay. Okay. Now we move. What? We start and go back to this. We will create the user some user and some our view. Plus on Visual Studio, Visual Creative User and Company. Oh, sorry, and computer. Visual this, Visual new, and Visual. All right. Organi organizational unit. The first overview is one lead. One lead. It means management. And okay. And next overview is hành chính. Okay, and net audio is kế toán. It's okay. All right. And in this audio, I create one user, new user. The same I shall open. This option. I think I set it name envy. Kế toán one and cho next. We choose this password never expire. And cho next. And cho finish. Now we have one cell in this audio kế toán. Envy. Okay. Fine. One. What? Oh, wait. All right. Check the setting. Wait. All right, user. If we can see sign to company, that means we have shown in company document. One and password. is A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yay. That means we successfully this. And now we move to step 2. This is um I will go to step 2. This is download download Active Directory domain service. And wait. Wait a minute, little bit. I want to drink some water. Some water. Okay. In this structure, I will first on I will create file in Windows Server. Like first on I will press Windows E. Okay, or open File Explorer. And I will open this C volume. Create one folder and I will set it name data. Okay, and in this folder data I will one array to child folder. First one is private, right? And the second is public. Private and public. All right. And in this private, I will wait. Okay, in the private, I will three child file. First one. The first one is one link, and the next is hành chính, and the final is sorry, the last one is deadline. And now we move back to data. Oh, and go into public folder and create two trial for the first one is farming. And the next is dữ liệu chung. Oh, I think I forgot to explain this step. Oh, okay, I will introduce again this step, and step 2 is the file server and permission. Okay, this is setting up a file server like managing a central uh, central filing cabinet with different drawer. The first is private folders. We in the private folders, I give each employee access only to their department's drawer to prevent someone from modifying. I collect document while still letting them read or copy it with NPFS special permission. And the next is public folder for software everyone gets a read only key. So, sorry, for public folder for software everyone gets a read only key so they can run installer without damaging them. For shared data, everyone can drop file in but create the owner rule, and so you can only edit or delete what you personally put there. And the file screening and kata uh, counter FSRM act like a friendly security guard standing by the cabinet, enforcing a mass 10 GB per person rule and turning away prohibited file type like MP3 or ESES. Alright, now we continue to the step 2. I just finished verify. I think okay, I will do next. I just verify dữ liệu chung and phần mềm. Okay, and in the next, I will permission them. First, I will permission what I don't know why. Oh, oh, I don't know why I just click and it's open new tab in data. I chose property and show sharing and show share. Oh, sorry, advanced sharing and show and tick this share this folder and show permission and show everyone. I put it full control and show apply, show OK, and show apply, show OK, and show close. And in the next if public, right, and click into it and turn up and no sorry, and disable inheritance in all of this folder. Let's see. I think first get on do this and do security and wait. Oh, here, do this. And click in this button. Click it and show can. Wait. Oh, do this. All right. Use and remove it. All right. Now to apply and show OK. And and do this same do the same way in in folder quản lý and hành chính, property, security, advanced, disable, convert, remove this and remove this and show apply, show OK and show OK. And in hành chính, I will do same it, security, show advanced, show disable, show convert, remove this and remove this and apply and OK. And now I will permission for folder kế toán. I think this is this is advanced permission. Okay, I think this is advanced permission configuration for the accounting department to meet the requirement of copy or delete your our data. Do not modify or delete other people's file and be allowed to read other people's files. We can define a permission in three ways. And the first rule is allow the accounting department to view the folder and create new data. And in the advanced security setting for accounting window, click the add button. Oh, wait. Advanced, disable. All right. Apply. Okay. Property, security, advanced. In this window, I chose the security system. I chose uh, and chose select a principal and in the enter the object name field, enter the group name or username. But I just create one user, so I will view this user. The tank one and check name. All right, and show OK. And in applies this applies to, I think I should not change anything. So permission and I click this. Oh, and first on I click JVerse folder, JVerse folder here. First this and the second is list folder. In the next read attribute and the next is verify write data. Oh, verify write data. And next is read read extended attribute. Okay, it is read a folder append data. All right, and so okay, and so no sorry, and in the row B, this is allow the creator on upon rise to edit and delete define they themselves created. First, I choose act again and chose service ball and fill no sorry and enter creator and owner. I uh, owner and Joe okay. And in this, I chose subfolder and price only. Only Joe full control and Joe okay. And in the row C, this the review the entire system. So okay, so apply, so okay, so okay. And I can do the same way to quản lý and hành chính, but I just create one user in kế toán, so I don't need to do this do the same config to quản lý and hành chính because they don't have user. All right. And and in the next step 3, this is granting permission to public folder. We move back to public. Sorry, move back to data. Show show property. There. Chợ bánh xe. Show this. Show show permission. Show everyone. Function. Show line. Sorry. Everyone just can click. Show okay. Okay, and show okay. Okay, backup security. Show advanced and click this button. Click convert inherited permission into display permission on this object. And let's say I will ensure that the authenticated user or everyone group only has the following permission: read and SQL and list folder content and read system. No, authenticated user. What? It show okay. Show them. They just can read and skill. List folder. They can read. Okay. This read and read. Okay. To apply and show okay. And show close. And in folder của lưu chúng I must upload some data and only delete that wait, upload the data and oh, upload data and ah, I can just delete the data that I upload. Dữ liệu chung public dữ liệu chung cho property about sharing cho and sharing cho share the folder information to everyone tick control to apply to okay and to apply to okay and in the security to balance to this to convert and add to add select response authentication, authenticate, authenticate, it, user, and the check name, and OK, allow, this folder, search folder in file, OK, in this show, I chose this folder, and read data and read attribute, and create file, and write data and create folder append data, and write no, let's read attribute, list the JavaScript, and cho OK, and cho sorry, and cho add small, no, and check name, and cho OK, and this thing, and this, and just put it subfolder and files only, subfolder and file only. Alright, and tick this and cho OK, and cho apply, and cho OK, and cho close. And next I will config FSIM, and this is limiting storage capacity and blocking file format. First, I will installing the FS or Embro or Embro run by Apple Editor. Next, 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 server, okay, and file and file and ISCSI service. Wait, what? Huh? Wait. Tool, file server, and resource manager. Oh, I have installed this. Sorry. And now we set limit for this. Copa, Copas, Create Copa, Copas, Joes, this, 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 public, and Joe this, and Joe, okay, you chung, see they have a big so, alright, and Joe, next is I show define custom quota property, by custom quota property, and click click custom property button. In this by limit 10 give it ahead. Enter number 10 and show gigabyte show hack quota and show okay and show react and show set the customer no sorry set the custom quota without creating a template quota without creating a template. Show okay right and in the next is only allow update sorry only allow uploading office file like doc or docx or xlsx or txt or odf and image like file tbak file png or file bmb and the most rational approach on FSRM is to create a block on screen file, then exclude the office file and image. Okay, now we do it. The first I will check the file file server resource manager file open file screening management file screening management enter file oh okay now we observe the list of available groups. If needed, I can double click and put some file extension such as RTF or .txt. Image file bmb file okay I think that's enough. Now we move to the next step is create Wait. Step A. Hmm. Oh, create a screen file to block the string file. First on, click on the file screen option in the left column. Create file screen. Châu C, châu data, châu public, châu dữ liệu chung. Châu OK. And châu define. Oh no, châu this divide protein. So just block executable file. Executable file or just block audio and video files. So this and OK. And Jory. Okay. All right, now we move to next step. Oh, sorry. We do the same way. Yeah. Okay. 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 Hmm, this is just step 2. Okay, we move to let's part A, installing the sorry, let's part A, configuring data sharing FTP server. First, virtual tool, Azure Internet Information Service Manager. Here, Internet Information Service IS Manager. And inside, so add FTP side. Wait, I think I must explain to you guys about this. Hmm, uh, an FTP uh sorry, an FTP site is essentially a dedicated storage beyond a server designed spec- specifically for uploading, downloading, and managing files over a network or the internet. Alright, FTP site name, I will enter the data. Data maintenance, and in the binding I will choose a bit chest. I chose 192 810 and 1. So this no SQL. and Jonas. Uh, in application tab, còn ai chỗ basic authorization tại chỗ on user permission I tick all of them at chỗ finish. Okay, and let's see. I will test it. Wait, uh, this I use this command gb gb update pause. Okay, now we back this. So window off, enter and dot one private private and kế toán. What? Wait, private kế toán Okay. And I chat with A15. This one. Hot data. Okay. In the next, I will check FTP. FTP. Zero on. Okay. I will see to. Yeah. Yeah. We don't have access. We don't have permission. Okay. All right. Maybe I download this. Download one style. Oh, sorry. I do this. Oh, I think my internet very lag. Okay. Oh, sorry. I put this in here. Okay, and we can put it. Oh, now that means we success step 2. That means we success step 2. And I will explain to you guys about step 2. Oh, sorry. I just explained it. I remember I just explained it in explained it when I begin to step 2. So I don't explain it. So we move to step 3. This is local DNS setup. Uh, and I will just like 192.168.10.1. Easy for computer to remember but terrible for human brains. The next assembly contact list that just like easy to remember web just like file.local into exact IP address where the file server live. Alright, now we will do this step 3. First one, I will go back to this browser. Wow, châu tuốt. Học hỏi đó. Enter this command DNS gmt dot mst vào mgmt. Oh, I think not open like this. Oh, sorry. We open in this DNS gmt dot mst. Yeah. We English and we will create forward lookup zone. Uh, I, let me explain this forward lookup zone. This This is uh, this is mapping area. Sorry, I, I I will talk again. Forward lookup for sorry. Forward lookup zone is a mapping area that facilitates the conversion of domain name to IP address. Alright, we right-click on the forward lookup zone folder in the left column and select New Zone. New Zone. Till next. Okay. Primary zone, second zone, subzone. About zone type, we choose primary zone. And tick this. This is why we check this box because check the box it to synchronize this DNS data with Active Directory and TLS. And cho to on DNS server remain. Các bạn đi đọc local. TLS and zone name. I will enter name is file dot local. Enter next. In dynamic update, I chose allow only secure dynamic updates. Yeah, and choose next, and choose finish. All right. And in the phase 3, I will create a host record of the file server's IP address. The host record acts as the host record acts as a direct link between the file.local domain name and the IP address 192.168.10.1. Okay, first one we click on the forward lookup zone folder in the left column. Here. Let's choose this. And show new host. It blank. We just leave it blank and have it choose. And choose this. Choose as host. Choose OK. Right. and do again. Um, I think I will explain for you guys about this. Uh, you can think of DNS as to phone book. Forward lookup is just like a name into an IP address, and reverse lookup is just like an IP address back into a name. But might tick the box asking DNS to update our phone. However, I haven't created the reverse phone book yet. Windows is simply letting me know that I accept the name in the first phone book, but I couldn't write it in the second one because it doesn't exist yet. But my lab, no, my exam final exam test doesn't require this, so I don't do this. All right, Joe's okay, and Joe done. If you want, just enter. If you want, just enter play dot by local and enter this and Riley is so you the file local. Sorry. If you enter this to John, and it can John. You can do like this. Your host. Here. Jury. Source. It's okay. So done. All right. And in the phase 4, this is a delete testing DNS cache in a server. We use ipconfig slash plus DNS. This is delete DNS cache. This command for delete DNS cache. Enter. Alright. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. Plus DNS. Alright, now this is successfully. In the files file, I will check the result from Windows 10. And we need to be updated again. Okay, now we're back to this. We do this command ns lookup. File local and you see this 192.1. This is a successful result. I'll check this. Dot. Okay, and it's successful. Now bin local. The first command is check DNS query, and the second command is I check responsiveness. Alright, it is successfully. And according to require in this final test, so we will accept it from SMB. Alright. This is our file. I forgot turn up this, but we don't care. Alright, close. Margin close. Yeah, okay, it's mean with this one. This mean success and the answer is right, not wrong. And the next is Travis reply FTP, but we don't FTP yet. It's FTP, but we don't enter the address like 192, and we just into name just the file dot local FTP file dot local MV and one password A B C 1 2 3 4 5. Come on. Oh, okay. Wait. All right. This means successful. Oh, okay. We do right. Okay. Okay. All right. This is successful. Longest. Okay, now we move to step 4. Mm, Step 4 is web portal setup. So I explain it. Think of this web portal as the digital front desk or landing page of your company. Instead of forcing user to memorize complex by pathways, they just open a web browser, go to company.local, and see friendly clickable links that open their share file folder directly. We do it. First on and we will do it. First file, I will repair the directory and source code for the web portal, and always create a directory containing the web the web sorry the galway create a directory containing the website source code and write a simple HTML interface containing links to the file server. This is file.local and file.local and FTP file.local. All right. First, we go to Win server and lưu ý, rất lưu ý. Oh, see, join inet, inet and new portal. Internet name portal. Portal. Enter and portal. Just see. Copy this link, this path, and press menu R. Not path. And I have prepare this code, this symbol code. Okay. Now I will save it. The type is of on price. Yep, and then not ACMN and coding UTF-8, and we will save it in inet in portal and chịu save. Alright. And about phrase 2, you see installing the web server IIS service. But I think I have this, so I don't download it again. Show tool and show IIS manager. Internet information service IIS manager. site and add site and cho add website and in the physical path and cho input photo. It's okay. Our site name is web portal. Web portal. And binding tab cho TTP and IP address is 192.168.10.1 of hostname. Portal dot local and cho OK. Alright. Now we are the DNS for this website, and the proposal is have strength. Oh, sorry. The proposal is have strength computer automatically find the website when typing the web domain name server. Windows off the NS. Okay. In the port zone. About case A, I using the portal .local domain or a completely new custom name. New zone, yes, primary zone, and show stop. Yes, next, and zone name is portal. Dot local. And till next. Till next. Just finish. Okay. New house AR for A. And in the case B, this is using the same local file domain created in a static. Oh, that's okay. And then, right. And now we test it in Windows 10. Oh, cậu nếu đầu tiên truy cập thư một dữ liệu chung, đúng rồi. Thứ hai, sorry, this truy cập dữ liệu chung. This result is very successful, very successfully, but the form I think is wrong. But I don't need to care about it because if you wanna to make it beautiful, you can set up again this HTML file. But I don't need it beautiful. I just need result. So this is fine with me. Oh my. Okay, have some problem. I don't know why, but I think it's very successful. Now we move to step 5. Step 5 is uh, about set up some policy and privacy. They set up a TPO group policy. Okay, I will explain for you about this. Imagine you are a big company with 100 computers. If you want everyone to have the company one paper and a socket to the shared drive, you could physically work to on 100 desks, or you could use group policy. And group policy mm, is like a central broadcast tower. You set the rule once on the Windows server. Look like, hey computer, connect try this to to the share folder and change the wallpaper to this image. And the next time employee log in, their computer automatically obey this order. Alright, now we will do it. First on we must repair by image. And I have one image. Repair ACMN. Carry? No, no, no. Alright. Yeah, here. Image. We will use this. And uh, now we will do. But before do it, I must tell you about this important rule of GPO. Like this is a image file use as one paper must be located in a network share folder and use a UNC bus in a format like in the format file.local. Absolutely do not use local bus like C because client machine will not be able to find them on the Windows Server machine. Prepare any image file in JPEG or BNT format. Okay, and repeat, and we will change its name is one paper. Okay, we can write it public dữ liệu chung and put this file into the here. Try again. What? What? No permission, no permission. What? Oh, I know why. I can put in image in a yeah, later. Put it in later. In public. Oh, wait. Okay. Wait. Let me try. I think this is there is so FSRM file server resource manager. I just block user cannot create file have JPEG. cartoon. I will show file. Show adjustment and this file screen. Oh, here. Image file. Adjusting file and that's okay. Alright. Oh, okay. Now we will delete it. Alright. Now we will do next part. Next surprise is um, create view. Okay. You see very okay. And in the phase 2, I will create GPO, new GPO in group policy management. Oh, sorry, no. GPO dot GBMC dot MSC. Okay. and open this and show domain and show company local. And here show them. Wait, I will set the name GPO default and show OK. To edit. All right. Now I will move to this config it. This is automatically map, right? How we this I remember this is hmm, to automatically convert the share folder dữ liệu chung into a network drive in this PC client. All right, that's on. This and reference and Windows system drive map here. Map drive location. General location. Wait. About SNA, okay. All right, but I showed it and this and last I think now and show what yeah, dữ liệu chung. Show this And go to command tab and show run in log on user. So apply. So okay. And we move to transform. This is a automatical gen gen wallpaper, gen desktop wallpaper. You use config policy and administrative template. Desktop and desktop. All right. And file this desktop wallpaper here. So enable it and enable it. And, hope I think we have from here. Okay. I to fill and to apply and to okay. And we close this. We use this command again. And now we check it. All right. This is a section about automatically change wallpaper. Thank you for watching.